You understand English, but when you try to speak, you freeze. Your mind goes blank. Feels bad, right?
Today, we fix that. You'll learn 5 simple phrases to start speaking English right now.
Hello, friend. Welcome back.
This is a safe place to practice. No fear, no stress.
Our title today is Stop Being Stuck. Speak English with 5 phrases now.
If you feel stuck when speaking, this video is for you.
Ready to stop freezing when you talk? Let's go.
Why do learners get stuck?
You think too much. Want perfect sentences.
You know words and grammar, but your brain says, wait, is this correct?
And then, silence.
Fear is another reason. Fear of mistakes or sounding silly.
But silence is your real enemy. Speaking is the key.
5 phrases will help you start, continue, and sound confident.
Simple words, huge difference. Phrase 1, let me think about that.
This gives you time to answer. You don't need to speak fast.
Listen and repeat. Let me think about that.
Your turn. Let me think about that.
Example, someone asks, what do you want to eat? You say, let me think about that.
Easy, natural, confident.
Phrase 2, how do you say blank in English?
Use it when you forget a word. Keeps conversation alive.
Listen and repeat. How do you say blank in English?
Your turn. How do you say blank in English?
Example, you want to say pain in English. Ask, how do you say pain in English? They say bread. You learned and spoke. Win.
Phrase 3. What do you mean?
Use it when you don't understand. Brave way to keep talking. Listen and repeat. What do you mean?
Your turn. What do you mean?
Example, someone says, we will touch base tomorrow. You say, what do you mean? And they explain. Now you understand.
Phrase 4. That's a good question.
Use it to be polite and give yourself time. Listen and repeat. That's a good question.
Your turn. That's a good question.
Example, someone asks, why are you learning English? You answer, that's a good question. I want a better job. Sounds natural, confident.
Phrase 5. Can you say that again, please?
Use it when someone speaks too fast or you didn't hear well. Listen and repeat. Can you say that again, please?
Your turn. Can you say that again, please?
Short role play time. You are at a shop. Customer, I want this, but I'm not sure. You say, let me think about that.
Customer says something fast. You ask, can you say that again, please?
You just spoke English confidently.
Quick quiz. Someone asks you a question, but you need time. Which phrase?
Let me think about that.
Correct.
Let's recap the 5 phrases.
1. Let me think about that.
2. How do you say blank in English?
3. What do you mean?
4. That's a good question.
5. Can you say that again, please?
These phrases give time, confidence, and keep conversation going.
You don't need perfect English, just brave words.
Promise us one thing. Use at least one phrase today. Say, I promise out loud.
Great. You are already growing.
If this video helped, like it, subscribe, and comment which phrase is your favorite.
Next video, we'll show how to start a conversation with strangers.
No fear, just simple steps. Keep practicing.
Keep speaking.
Keep smiling.
You are not stuck anymore.